Hello and welcome to Crewe Audi. Today I'm going to be giving you a full walk round video of this gorgeous Audi A3 Sportback S line, and as part of the Audi approved use scheme this will come with a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. So for any more information or for any finance options, please do not hesitate to contact Crewe Audi today. So to begin, we have the gorgeous LED headlights, which are really illuminating in all weather conditions, providing you with full visibility of the road ahead. Also fitted are the 18-inch 5Y spoke style design alloy wheels, which are finished in the Graphite Grey with the diamond cut. Moving up, we've got the power folding wing mirrors, as well as the aluminium window surrounds and the privacy glass to the rear and rear side windows, which really works nicely against the side profile. Onto the rear interior, we have the gorgeous leather throughout with the twin stitching, the beautiful inlays, as well as the comfortable armrest in the centre with the 2 cup holders. Onto the rear exterior, we have the LED rear lights with the dynamic indicators, a manual boot opening, and as you can see this is quite a spacious boot, which allows up to 2 adult-sized suitcases to be placed in, as well as a couple of carry-on bags, and it is also suitable for your shopping or a pushchair if needs be. And the rear seats do also fold down into 3 separate pieces for any extra space that's needed. And I'll just give you a moment to really appreciate the gorgeous Navarra blue metallic paintwork finish on this vehicle. So moving on then towards the front of the interior, you are instantly greeted with the gorgeous 3-spoke multifunction leather steering wheel and the beautiful inlays throughout. And of course we've got the 2 gorgeous front sport seats with the S embossed, and the comfortable armrest which is fitted in the centre. And these are also manually adjustable. And that concludes our full walk round of this gorgeous Audi A3 Sportback S line. And now we're going to take a look further into the interior on all the key features and what else this Audi A3 has on offer. Starting off, we have the Bang & Olufsen Premium Sound System, which is part of the Comfort and Sound Pack as an optional extra, which provides great audio quality throughout the front and rear of the cabin. We also have the electric windows front and rear, as well as the child locks and the power folding heated wing mirrors. Further up, we have the central locking and unlocking system, as well as the automatic headlights. And onto the steering wheel, we've got the hands-free telephone controls, the virtual cockpit controls, as well as the cruise control just underneath. And using the left-hand controls on the steering wheel, this allows you to easily access the virtual cockpit and allows you to customise the different displays to suit your preferences. And you can also zoom in and out of the speedometer as well as the rev counter, depending on what you prefer. Onto the radio stations, this is fitted with the DAB and FM radio stations, which provide you with a larger variety, suitable for all passengers to enjoy when on the go. You can also connect your smartphone for the use of Apple CarPlay, which is accessible via the USB port on this vehicle and allows you to play driver-safe apps such as Google Maps and Spotify. Onto the car settings, we've got the Audi Drive Select, which allows you to adjust from efficiency up to dynamic depending on your driving experience preferences, and you can also individually adjust the drive system and steering. Onto the driver's assist, this comes with a large variety of assists including speed warning and rest recommendation. And on this vehicle we also have a reversing camera fitted, which is perfect for all them tight parking spaces, giving you full visibility of what's behind, and the front and rear parking sensors also alerts you of any objects around you, and this is also an optional extra on this vehicle. Onto the climate control unit, this allows you to separately adjust the temperatures for the front passenger as well as the driver, and you can also have the temperatures in sync throughout the front of the cabin. You can also adjust the pressure of the airflow and where you would like the airflow to be in the vehicle, and if you would like it on Eco or Max. The front seats are also heated with 3 separate heat settings. Just below we have the easy access to the driver's select, traction control, hazards, as well as the parking cameras and the parks assist, which is part of the optional extras. We also have 2 USB-C charging ports, as well as the wireless charging, the volume controls and the stop-start, the 6-speed manual gearbox, electronic handbrake and a 12 volts charging port, as well as 2 cup holders and some storage under the armrest suitable for a wallet or a purse. As part of the Audi approved use scheme, this vehicle will come with a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. So for any more information, or if you'd like to discuss financial options on this vehicle, please do not hesitate to contact us today on 01270 507070.